Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix OperaGX not loading pages. Alright, let's begin. First, open your OperaGX browser. Start by disabling all extensions. Go to the extensions page and turn off each one. After that, check if the issue is resolved. Next, click the Opera icon at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Update and Recovery. Once you are there, choose the option to reset the browser to its default state. You can either keep your data or do a full reset. If you want to keep bookmarks and settings, select Recover. If you prefer a complete reset, choose Reset. After the browser resets, check if the problem continues. If it still does, try uninstalling and reinstalling OperaGX. To do this, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then click Uninstall a program. Locate OperaGX in the list, right-click and select Uninstall. During the uninstall process, you can choose to delete your user data. This is recommended if you want a clean setup. Once uninstalled, reinstall OperaGX. After reinstalling, launch the browser and test if the issue is fixed. So that's basically how you can fix OperaGX not loading pages. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.